Hello, here how to prepare bis ethylene diamine copper second sulfate that explain diagrammatically. Preparation of bis ethylene diamine copper second sulfate. It is a coordination compound. How to prepare in the laboratory that we will see step by step. For that we require copper sulfate pentahydrate, ethylene diamine, Whatman filter paper number 41. Ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand, means it has two teeth or atoms that coordinate directly to the central atom in a complex. A single molecule of ethylene diamine can form two bonds to a metal ion. Reaction for this preparation is copper sulfate is react with ethylene diamine, then it forms bis ethylene diamine copper second sulfate. The structure of the complex is shown in the figure. Here two molecules of ethylene diamine coordinate with a copper as a central metal ion. Here the coordination number of copper is 4 and the oxidation state of copper is +2. The IUPAC name of this complex is bis ethane 1,2-diamine copper second sulfate. It is a chelate complex. Preparation of the complex. First we have to dissolve 4 gram of copper sulfate pentahydrate in a 10 ml of water in a 250 ml of beaker. Then you have to warm this solution on the wire gauge. Then add 10 ml of ethylene diamine from burette with constant stirring till formation of bright blue precipitate is there. If not, add few drops more. Then digest the mixture on a boiling water bath for 30 minutes. Cool the solution and keep for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then filter this bright blue crystal through the Whatman filter paper number 41 using Buchner funnel at the suction pump. Then dry the product and weigh it on a balance to find out the yield. Here we got 3.992 gram of the compound. Then observation, the practical yield of the complex W is equal to 3.992 gram. Then see the calculation part. 1 mole of copper sulfate pentahydrate gives 1 mole of bis ethylene diamine copper second sulfate. The molecular weight of copper sulfate pentahydrate is 249.54 gram, while the molecular weight of this complex is 279.54. Here we have taken 4 gram of copper sulfate. It gives 4.480 gram yield theoretically. This means that if you want to calculate the percentage practical yield of the complex, if we obtain 4.480 gram of the complex, it means we obtain 100% yield. But here we got 3.992 gram of the complex, so therefore 3.992 into 100 divided by 4.480, then the percentage practical yield of the complex will be 89.10%. Then we have to write the result. The practical yield of the complex W is equal to 3.992 gram and the percentage practical yield of the complex A is equal to 89.10%. In this way, we have to perform the practical. Thanks for watching.